CompTIA Network Plus, N10-009, Exam Style Questions. Question 1. Which topology uses a central hub? Option A star. Option B mesh. Option C bus. Option D ring. The correct answer is option A. Star. A star topology connects devices to a central hub or switch. This design is easy to manage, although the central device becomes an important dependency. Question 2. What does ICMP stand for? Option A Integrated Circuit Message Protocol. Option B Internet Control Message Protocol. Option C Internet Connection Monitoring Process. Option D Internal Communication Management Protocol. The correct answer is option B. Internet Control Message Protocol. ICMP stands for Internet Control Message Protocol and carries network control or error messages. Tools such as ping use ICMP to test basic reachability. Question 3. Which device boosts signal strength over long cable runs? Option A gateway. Option B switch. Option C repeater. Option D router. The correct answer is option C. Repeater. A repeater regenerates or boosts a signal so it can travel farther over a link. It does not route traffic or make forwarding decisions like a router or switch. Question 4. What is the purpose of port forwarding? Option A block external traffic. Option B direct external traffic to a specific device. Option C encrypt connections. Option D assign IP addresses. The correct answer is option B. Direct external traffic to a specific device. Port forwarding directs traffic arriving on a public address and port to a specific internal host or service. It is commonly used to publish an internal service through a NAT device. Question 5. A network has frequent collisions. What might be the issue? Option A half-duplex mode. Option B DNS failure. Option C incorrect gateway. Option D full duplex mode. The correct answer is option A. Half-duplex mode. Half-duplex mode is the most appropriate choice because it directly matches the networking requirement described in the question. The other options address different protocols, devices, layers, or operational goals and would not best satisfy the scenario. Question 6. Which protocol secures remote access? Option A SSH. Option B HTTP. Option C Telnet. Option D FTP. The correct answer is option A. SSH. SSH provides encrypted remote command line access and protects administrator credentials. It should be used instead of Telnet or other clear text remote administration methods. Question 7. What does a 10.0.0.0/8 CIDR/8 address indicate? Option A private IP range. Option B loopback address. Option C public IP range. Option D multicast address. The correct answer is option A. Private IP range. 10.0.0.0/8 is a private IPv4 address range reserved for internal networks. Addresses in this range are not routed on the public internet without translation such as NAT. Question 8. Which tool identifies a cable's location? Option A multimeter. Option B loopback plug. Option C toner probe. Option D cable tester. The correct answer is option C. Toner probe. A toner probe is used to trace and identify a specific cable in a bundle, wall, or patch panel. A cable tester verifies cable wiring but does not locate the cable path as effectively. Question 9. What is the maximum speed of 802.11g? Option A 11 megabits per second. Option B 600 megabits per second. Option C 1.3 gigabits per second. Option D 54 megabits per second. The correct answer is option D, 54 megabits per second. 802.11g supports a maximum theoretical speed of 54 Mbps. It operates in the 2.4 GHz band and is much slower than newer wireless standards. Question 10. A VPN user can't access internal resources. What should you check? Option A VPN authentication. Option B wireless signal. Option C cable connections. Option D DNS settings. The correct answer is option A, VPN authentication. VPN authentication should be checked first because users must successfully authenticate before internal access is granted. If authentication is valid, the technician can then review routing, DNS, and access control issues. Question 11. Which attack floods a network with traffic? Option A DOS. Option B man in the middle. Option C spoofing. Option D phishing. The correct answer is option A, DOS. A denial of service attack floods a target with traffic or requests to disrupt availability. The goal is to exhaust resources so legitimate users cannot access the service. Question 12. Which of the following best describes the importance of DHCP relay agents in a network? Option A. They manage the IP address lease time for the devices on the network. Option B. They provide backup DHCP services in case the primary server fails. Option C. They allow a DHCP server to assign IP addresses to devices on the same subnet. Option D. They forward DHCP requests and responses between clients and servers across different subnets. The correct answer is option D. They forward DHCP requests and responses between clients and servers across different subnets. DHCP relay agents forward client DHCP broadcasts across routed subnets to a centralized DHCP server. This allows one DHCP service to support multiple VLANs or networks without placing a DHCP server on every subnet. Question 13. Which of the following DNS record types is used to map a domain name to an IPv4 address? Option A MX. Option B name. Option C AAAA. Option D A. The correct answer is option D, A. And a record maps a host name to an IPv4 address. AAAA records map IPv6 addresses, while MX and name records are used for mail routing and aliases. Question 14. Which protocol is used by the session layer to manage communication sessions between network devices? Option A HTTP. Option B FTP. Option C SMTP. Option D RPC. The correct answer is option D, RPC. RPC is associated with coordinating procedure calls between systems and can be tied to session-oriented communication. HTTP, FTP, and SMTP are application protocols and do not best describe session management between devices. Question 15. How does an IPS differ from an IDS? Option A IPS only detects potential threats while IDS takes actions to block them. Option B IPS provides encryption while IDS does not. Option C IPS operates at the network layer while IDS operates at the application layer. Option D, IDS only detects potential threats while IPS blocks them. The correct answer is option D. IDS only detects potential threats while IPS blocks them. An IDS primarily detects suspicious activity and generates alerts, while an IPS can actively block traffic. The ability to prevent or stop malicious traffic is the key distinction between the two controls. Question 16. Which protocol is commonly used to establish a secure VPN connection? Option A, HTTP. Option B, FTP. Option C, IPsec. Option D, SMTP. The correct answer is option C. IPsec. IPsec is commonly used to create secure VPN tunnels by authenticating and encrypting IP traffic. HTTP, FTP, and SMTP are application protocols and are not designed to establish VPN tunnels. Question 17. How does NAT enhance network security? Option A. By assigning static IP addresses to devices. Option B. By encrypting all data packets. Option C. By hiding the internal IP address from external networks. Option D. By increasing network bandwidth. The correct answer is option C. By hiding the internal IP address from external networks. NAT translates private internal IP addresses to public addresses for external communication. This hides internal addressing from outside networks and helps conserve public IPv4 address space. Question 18. Which port is commonly used by SSH to secure communications? Option A, 20. Option B, 21. Option C, 22. Option D, 23. The correct answer is option C. 22. SSH uses TCP port 22 for encrypted remote administration. It protects credentials and session data, unlike Telnet, which commonly uses port 23 and sends traffic in clear text. Question 19. Which of the following ports is used to secure web traffic? Option A, 80. Option B, 23. Option C, 110. Option D, 443. The correct answer is option D. 443. HTTPS uses TCP port 443 and protects web traffic with TLS encryption. Port 80 is used for unencrypted HTTP, while ports 23 and 110 are associated with Telnet and POP3. Question 20. A company has been assigned the network address 192.168.10.0/24. How many usable host addresses are available? Option A, 255. Option B, 256. Option C, 253. Option D, 254. The correct answer is option D. 254. A/24 network contains 256 total IPv4 addresses. After subtracting the network and broadcast addresses, 254 addresses remain usable for hosts.